Welcome back everyone. Let's get the flame of hope and creativity going for the world. Right, may all beings benefit. Now, finally, we can maybe begin to paint one of these beautiful bottles. And I'm thinking I'm going to start with a green one in the back, because then there's a dry space we can jump over and we can begin to work on the bottle on the right. And when we've done that, that gives us time to maybe go back to this bottle or do something in the background, and then we can come to the one in the front. So this way we've got multiple fields to play on. So I'm going to see how far I can go in this session. Hopefully I can put in the first layers of the potion bottles, because it is going to require multiple layers in order to really develop this beautiful color. Okay, so the first wash for this green potion bottle, if we look at the color on this reference material, we notice we have a yellow core and we've got a green outer. So I think those are the two colors I'm going to prepare for this first wash, so that that can flow into each other, and then we can drop in some olive greens and a little bit of blues and so forth. Remember, we've got some wax crayon drawing on here that's going to help us just preserve some of those whites, so we can go ahead and play with this mixture. I'm going to use my smaller brush to mix the color. I'm going to start with this yellow. If you want to see the rest of this video, then join my Patreon community today, because all of the full tutorial information, behind the scenes content, magical moments, one-on-one chats, and deeper insights into the oracle of the spirit animal guide is all available on my Patreon. So use the link in the description of this video and join me today, because there's a lot of magical things happening right now.